Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am here to recommend you the best of the best 3 mobile applications, and these applications you must have these into your phone to learn, practice and improve your Chinese level. First name of app is Super Chinese, and it is a really good application and I personally use this. This application is for anyone who wants to improve their Mandarin Chinese, whether you are a complete beginner or wants to improve your Chinese level. This app focuses on all the essential skills like speaking, listening, reading and writing. So download and add your language learning skill. Second application is Hello Chinese. This application is perfect for beginners and it is loaded with tons of interactive lessons, listening, speaking practices and even games. So you can actually speak the words and the app will tell you if you got the pronunciation right. So this is a really good application, so please download it. Third cool and must have application is pleco Chinese dictionary. So this app is packed with a lot of features like handwriting recognition, audio pronunciation, words with detailed definitions and examples and much more. So you can do a lot of things with this application. So let me know in the comments if you are using any of these 3 applications. I hope this video finds you helpful. OK 同学们，谢谢 See you in next video. 再见。